All right, ladies and gentlemen, congratulations. You finally reached the last week of our first 9 weeks together. You've done a wonderful job. I just wanted to go ahead and show you how to work on those missing assignments. First of all, you need to get into your Google Classroom. Remember, you have to go to the tic-tac-toe in the corner, click on Google Classroom, and then once you are in Mrs. Horning, you need to click on the classwork. And I have something super cool to show you that actually would be helpful even when you're just doing your daily assignments. If you just click this view your work, it's going to pop things up in the order that they are supposed to be done. And as you can see, this is George's account and it's just a fake account. So he has lots of missing, but it'll show you what's missing, what has been assigned. You can separate it to what's assigned, what's been returned and graded. And then also you can have what is missing. So I need you to work on all those missing assignments. Most of you have a couple missing assignments, some of you don't. Just keep your eyes peeled for those. And I hope you guys have a great Thursday.